Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, True Meaning of Radiance. Same outfit, same day, okay? All 3 videos, same outfit, same day. Well, probably not one of them because I'm gonna change my shirt to act like I really changed, but y'all, nah, it's gonna be the same day, okay? Voice still gone, but still recording. And what? You know, because I miss y'all. I do. Oh, I miss y'all. So today's video is going to be a makeup haul, high-end and low-end new releases. I have an order from Anastasia Beverly Hills that came in, and I have some new that I found at the drugstore. So why segregate the videos? Let them ladies live together, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna try to swatch some things. Y'all know I suck at swatching, but I'm gonna attempt to swatch some things, okay? So we're gonna first get started off with this, and we all know what this is, all right? Come on. Jacket. Yes, Miss Jackie, Auntie Jackie has a palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and y'all, I had to get it. I had to get it. Gotta support Auntie Jackie. Y'all, the packaging. Let's just start off with the packaging. It is super cute. Oh my goodness, I really like it. And a lot of people was like, well, in her press, she was wearing green, lime green. But if you look at the palette and tilt it, you see the lime green all up in it. Okay? Okay, so why was y'all even hating? But anyway, when you open it, there's a mirror. And the colors look like this. What I love about this palette, to be honest, it is so dark skin girl friendly. I can rock every single color in this palette. There is not one color that won't work with my skin tone. And it's good because Jackie is a deeper skin tone. She knows what we need, you know? So I was like, yes, I'm gonna get a Black Girl Magic endorsed, you know, palette because she knows what we need. And I just absolutely love every shade in this palette. Every shade is universal for everyone that wants to use it. And deeper. This palette, you can use every single shade. Even if you're lighter, I think you can use every single shade, just like these and stuff, you know. You got to work a little bit harder with, but this is for everybody. This is for everybody. I absolutely love this palette. I am not going to swatch them all, but I want to swatch a few, okay? So Lituation looks like this. Lituation, and this is what Lituation looks like. And when I tell you these are buttery, honey, these are buttery. Let's watch Wigglesy. And I'm horrible at swatches, and I'm getting some decent swatches here. Shookington. I wanted to just put here. Ooh, yes. Jacket. Okay, this is cute. Oh my god, like y'all, this I can use year round if I want to, but this is gonna be my go-to for fall and winter, hands down. I can use every shade in here and every day create a new look. Jackie, you came through for us, girl. So y'all, if you have not gotten the Jackie Aina palette, Jackie, can I see? Because I can't talk, y'all. I don't feel good. I can't talk. If you ain't got the Jackie Aina palette, you need to go ahead and get it. Anastasia Beverly Hills, Ulta, Sephora, get it. Like, you need it. And I also, with my order, I wanted to try out the new foundation. I seen Makeup Doll review it, and me and Makeup Doll, like, I always shade behind her. She says a shade, I'm like, okay, I get that shade. Because she's like close to my shade in a way. So it kind of works out. And I got 510W in the foundation. But I think I should have went and got one shade lighter, but it'll be okay. And it looks just like this. If you guys want to update on it, I can update you on the foundation. But the foundation, I don't know. Oh yeah, it does look a little dark for me. I'm going to just put a little bit to my chest because you know you need to put it to your chest to see if it's your color. But yeah, oh, it blends in pretty nice. So yeah, the shade color is pretty good because it's blending directly into my chest. I don't even know where it went, y'all. Yeah, I don't even know where it went. There it is. So it is a little dark. Yeah, the 510 is a little dark. I could have went a shade lighter, but I'm still gonna wear it. I'm just gonna mix it with something that's a little bit lighter. That's why I hate ordering online a lot of times, because it's hard to really match my skin tone. Since we're out at the high end, you like, okay girl, that's the money stuff. We're the stuff for the people on a budget. I got you. Walmart, baby. Oh yeah, Wet n Wild does have some new items out. It's the extension of their crystal line, and it is skincare. I've seen one person on YouTube review it and talk about it, and I was like, ooh, I need to find it. So it is at Walmart. It's not even on their website yet. It's not even being talked about. So this is the new. This is the new exclusive, honey. And you're hearing it here probably second because someone already else came out with a video with it. But this is the Mega Glow Facial Toner. It looks just like this. It's really, really cute. I cannot wait to use it. It comes with a multi-use oil. And these items are $6.97 a piece, just so you guys know. And the multi-use oil, if you guys can see it, it actually has like crystals in it. So at the bottom, that's all crystals around there. So it's crystals. It's moving around the bottle. So it's crystals fully in there. So that's cool. You hear them? It's crystals in that oil. So I cannot wait to use that. And a primer serum. And it looks like it's not clear. It looks like it has flecks of, I guess, crystal in it throughout it. So I got that too. And again, each item was only $6.87. So that was a really good deal. And I got it at the Walmart. Not even seeing it on the website yet, guys. It's not on the website. But I needed skincare. And then someone made a video on it. And I was like, ooh, when I'm in there getting my skincare, I'm going to look for it. And speaking of skincare, I needed a new moisturizer. I didn't want to go high end because I just didn't feel like spending $60–70 on a moisturizer right now. I know they're having a Sephora sale right now, but it doesn't include insiders, and I'm only an insider. I used to be a Rouge, but I just stopped spending all that money with Sephora. But when they do have the sale where it's including everyone again, probably at the end of the year, I am going to get a few things, a few tangs, okay? Because I have a list of like $350 that I'm trying to spend to get all the tings I want, okay? But anyway, I got the Hydro Boost City Shield Water Gel Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 25 from Neutrogena. I love this. It's only $20. Jackie Aina actually put me onto the Neutrogena Hydro Boost line, and it's bomb. Like, it's absolutely bomb for drugstore. It's really, really nice, and it's only 20 bucks, and it lasts quite some time. This is the Freeman Melted Sugar Face Mask. It was only $1 something, and I wanted to try it because the gummy bears on it. I thought it looked really cute. So I picked this up. I did find some clearance items. So I got the Revlon Color Stay Brow Mousse. This is in soft brown. So it's a mousse for your brows. And honey, I can use all the brow help I can get. So I went ahead and got it. It's normally $8.47. They clearanced it out for $4.49. So about half off because it's normally $8.67. I found this for $1.50. Normally it's $3. This is a duo stick. It's a shadow. It's a shadow and liner duo stick in black. It looks just like this. And I want to use it for underneath here. To black out things because it can be matte or it can be shimmer. So I thought this was really nice for $1.50. So I picked that up. I did pick up something else because lemon really helps with even out hyperpigmentation and all that in the skin. It really helps with it. So I picked up some lemon exfoliating. Can I talk? Lemon exfoliating, yes, slices. Swipe away pore clogging dirt in oil. And it's oil free and it has vitamin C for bright, clear, happy skin. It's a new line from Clean and Clear that's out. But I didn't want everything that was in it because I'm fine with my skincare routine right now that I'm doing. But I did like using this for like when I want to exfoliate and get an extra clean. I figured this would be really nice for at nighttime, and it comes with 45 pads in it. So I will update you guys on what I think, because I do have hyperpigmentation really bad on my face. So, you know, it definitely can help with that. Before I go, I did want to show you guys two things from Ulta that I got like a couple weeks ago. I did get the Juicy Gloss Grape Pop. This is from the new line from e.l.f. and I know you guys wanted a review, so next week I am going to be recording my review on the line of everything that I bought from the, I guess the Jelly Pop line is what it's called. And the last item is from Wet n Wild Pac-Man. I had to get something from the Pac-Man line because, come on, this takes me all the way back. All right, so I had to get something. So I got the limited edition bronzer, and basically it's like these beads and it's supposed to bronze. I see myself using this more for highlighting than to bronze, but let me open it for you guys. Has a protecting seal on it, which is good. For $6.99, I should have got more than just that, but it is what it is. And I'm trying to see if I can get some of this bronzer on my hand without messing up my nails. Yeah, I did. And that's what the bronzer looks like. It's extremely light. Like, really, really light. That's what I said for me. I don't see myself bronzing with it. I want to use it more like a highlight kind of thing to use up in the nose area, so it's not extra shiny, because, you know, highlighters can be really shiny and they make my nose really shiny. So this one will be more of like a muted type of thing, and it won't make it as shiny. But I mean, it's Pac-Man. It's Pac-Man. You got to get something from Pac-Man. So this is what I got. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.